Today, we've got something frosty and exciting to delve into. LEGO Minecraft The Ice Castle, set number 21186. Released in June 2022, this set is already 2 years old at this point, but is it worth hunting down and adding to your LEGO Minecraft collection? That's what I hope this video helps you decide. Fortunately, I was able to find a deal on a set with a box, so let's look at that first. Looking at it, we can see this set is intended for anyone over the age of 8 years old, even adult fans. The number for total pieces that came in this set is 499, which is a fair amount considering its original MSRP of $49.99. Going over the box contents, containing those 499 different pieces, we get 4 individual bags. As we're accustomed to with all LEGO sets, this one also comes with paper instructions to guide you along the build. Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty, the building process. Starting with bag 1, you assemble the foundation of the castle. The ice-themed pieces are a treat for the eyes, and there's a certain attention to detail throughout. One thing that stands out to me though is the purple floor, as if someone made it out of purple wool. Moving on to bag 2, you'll begin to see the castle walls taking shape. The inclusion of Minecraft-specific elements is a nice touch, making it instantly recognizable for fans of the game. With bag 3, you see the walls being built up more on the building, and you add the area for minifigures to be placed upon. This is very reminiscent of castle sets. As you move on to the final bag, you can see the full scale of the ice castle and its towers come to shape. Don't be fooled. The ice castle was just not a static display piece, it was packed with tons of playability. The set included everything that someone would want in terms of play features. I mentioned them earlier when I said this set included a lot of different items, but let me list for you what items this actually comes with. Those items include an anvil, a crafting table, a cauldron, a potion maker, a stone cutter, a bucket, and a double chest. For all the LEGO Minecraft sets I've built and reviewed so far, that is by far the most I've seen in any of the sets. This attention to detail in the interior adds another layer of immersion. We have ladders riddled throughout for our figures to climb, and on the front above the door are 2 flick fire missiles, which I believe are meant to be dispenser blocks loaded with arrows in game terms. Everything this set comes with is awesome. Getting into the minifigures, this set came packaged with 6 total, featuring unique details and an ample amount of accessories to customize them as you please. There are 2 exclusive minifigures in this set, with one of them being really unique in the Yeti. The printing on him is great, and the color choices made by LEGO were excellent, making him a nice addition to any Minecraft collection. The other unique figure is a special skin for Alex, where she is donning a blue, orange, and gold ensemble. This one isn't as nice as the Yeti, in my opinion at least, but is still a nice one to have nonetheless. It fits in really nicely with the theme of this set. For enemy mobs, we have zombies and we have skeleton archers, which are seen in many other Minecraft sets. Each skeleton comes with a bow, and between the zombies, there's an iron helmet plus axe for decorating them. Overall, I would actually say that this minifigure selection is excellent. Wrapping up this in-depth review, LEGO Minecraft The Ice Castle 21186 exceeded my expectations. The attention to detail, engaging building process, and playability make it a standout set in the LEGO Minecraft lineup. Whether you're a fan of the game or just love a cool LEGO build, this set is definitely worth adding to your collection. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like. If you want to see more, subscribe for LEGO reviews, builds, and all things LEGO related. Until next time, stay crazy.